Hey everyone, and welcome to Kaswell's Kappa, the channel where you learn how to work on your Kappa step by step. In today's video, we're going to learn how to replace the passenger side insulation panel or insulator panel. I'll provide you with everything you need, tools, service manual pages, and part numbers. So without further ado, get to the video. So where is the passenger side insulator panel? Well, we come down here, way down here, so we can see our panel is this guy right here. This is our panel. Now that we've located it, let's remove it. As you can see, we have a bolt right here, and we have a little clip right here. Both of these need to be removed. This, just grab a panel, or you can just grab the little side, pull down like so, like that, it's undone. And then on this side, it's another 7mm bolt. Remove this bolt. Once this bolt is removed, yeah, there's a chance of this whole panel just sliding off, but as you can see, mine didn't. It's pretty snug in here. There's also a little hanger on the inside of this dash piece right here, so it prevents it from fully falling down. But as we can see, give it a little nudge, and it should fall down. What am I caught on here? Take this off real quick. If you do have a little underglow lights like me, don't forget to unhook that panel or that connection. So it's just like that. It was caught behind that dash piece right there, as you can see. Still caught on the right side. Just kind of take it up and slide it out. As you can see, here's the hanger. Just take the panel and set it to the side. When it comes to installing the insulator panel, remember there's a little hanger on the right side that's going to go underneath or behind this trim. I'm going to take it and slide it in place, and then I'm going to nestle it up top. Okay. Once again, hanger is hung. I'm going to take this, I'm going to slide it up until it's nestled in place, like so. I'm going to take the clip here, slide it in place. It'll click. And then we're going to grab my bolt. We're going to install it on this side right here. Remember, 7mm. And then once that's installed, you have completed this procedure. All right, thank you so much for watching the video. I hope that it helped you out and that you learned something new. I want to remind y'all to check out the channel website, kaswellskappa.wixsite.com/kaswellskappa, for more Kappa procedures if y'all need them done. I got a whole library that y'all can check out of about 100, maybe 100 videos now, but maybe 90. But y'all can check those out if y'all need to do more things on your Kappa. But that's all I have for y'all today, and I will see y'all next time. Until then.